So based upon the principle of operation, so we're having the types electromagnetic relay. So principle of operation relays are classified into electromagnetic relays, electromagnetic induction relays, electrothermal relays, psychoelectric relays, static relays, electrodynamic relays. So as well as we're having the another types also that is the microprocessor based relays also there. Okay, so mainly the three classifications are there, that is electromagnetic relays, static relays, microprocessor based relays also there. Okay, so these are three main classification. So in that turn, so in the electromagnetic relays, so we're having the electromagnetic induction relays, electrothermal relays. Okay, so in the static relays we have another type and electrodynamic relays. Okay, so apart from that we are having the static relays, microprocessor based protective relays also there. So this is the one of the classification. So if we take the electromagnetic relays, okay, so here it will work like this. Okay, so here is the trip circuit we connected, and here iron plunger, so which are current solenoid type relay, this time. So here when the input, that is it will connected to the CT. Okay, so here CT is connected, so from that CT, so it will give given to the circuit. Okay, so input is given to the CT here. Okay, so input is connected to CT, so from the CT it is connected to the plug. So if there is any variation, okay, the coil will connect to the circuit breaker. So a trip circuit is nothing but is a circuit breaker it will connected. Next we are having the electromagnetic induction type relay. In the electromagnetic induction, so here is the based upon the induction based relay, right? So in the classification, so we're having the based upon the function. Okay, so we're on the another classification also there. So that is the over current relay, under voltage relay, impedance relay, under frequency relay, directional relays also there. Okay, so here we are based upon the classification. First we'll see the electrodynamic relays. Okay, so electromagnetic, static relays, microprocessor based relays. Okay, so in that type, first we'll see the solenoid type relay. Okay, so electromagnetic, so this is a one type. And here when the electromagnetic induction relays, so here this will operate principle of the induction motor. Okay, so when the relaying purpose, that is the AC quantities also. Okay, so they are not used for the DC quantities owing to the principal operation. So mainly here in these relays, okay, so in the relay system, the input signal which is taken, that is the AC, but it will need the some of the operations of the DC signals also. Okay, but if take coming to the electromagnetic induction type relay, so it will operate the induction motor. Okay, so principle of the induction motor, and used for the relaying the purpose of involving AC quantities. Okay, so not using the DC quantities owing to the principle of operation. And another we're having the electrothermal relays. Okay, so in the these relay operate the principle of thermal effect. Okay, so passing to the current relay element. Okay, so if the thermal variation, okay, that is a predetermined. Okay, so the thermal relay will having the predetermined. So apart from that one, okay, so predetermined not achieved by the input signal, okay, then the relay coil will be tripped. Okay, so here you can see the thermal. So here the coil, okay, so coil, so here is, you can see here, this is a heating coil. Okay, so and bimetallic strip will be there. So these bimetallic strip, okay, so that 2 second number, you can see the bimetallic strip. So here any variation in the input signal, so that will be affected by the this bimetallic strip. So due to the bimetallic strip, okay, so these will be function, okay, the spring function will be activated, that will given to the here trip circuit. Okay, so relay contact will be contact, okay, so that will be signal given to the trip contact. Okay, next psychoelectric. Okay, so here is a relay controlled by the physical. Okay, physical systems produce changes in the one of several system. Okay, physical electric relay. So this whichever produced in the Buckholz relay, in the Buckholz relay which is used in the transformer internal protection. Okay, so transformer internal protection type. So here any variation in the oil, okay, it's a transformer, okay, that will be censored by the Buckholz relay, that given protect the equipment, okay, internal protection purpose. So here there is one of the type, that is it, the Buckholz is one of type of the physical electric relays. Next we having the, you can see the Buckholz relay. Okay, so operation you can see in this one. Okay, how it is the converter work. Okay, so connections will be in the Buckholz relay in the transformer. Okay, next we're having the static relay. So this static will use like transistors to obtain the operating character. That is the static relay is combination with the electronic devices. Okay, so not only the static relay, so it is another. So nowadays we are having the microprocessor based relays. Okay, next we are having the electrodynamic relay. So operated by moving coil. So moving coil instrument based on that. So the relay coil will work. So for name is that it's the electrodynamic relays. Okay, so these are the classifications. Okay, so another classifications are also there. So that is the based upon the function, we're having the overcurrent relay. Okay, so we're having the type, that is the overcurrent relay, under voltage relays, impedance relay, under frequency relays, direction. So here the overcurrent relays, under voltage relays, impedance relays, under frequency relays, direction. So in that name only we can name that the function. Okay, so function of the each will be includes. Okay, so if you talk about the overcurrent, so the name it indicates that will work all for the overcurrent protection. Okay, so another we are having the under voltage relays. Okay, so it will protect you for the under voltage applications. Okay, so impedance relay means if there is any variation in the impedance of the system, okay, that at that time the relay will be protected. Okay, next we are having the under frequency. So this is for the protective of the system, relay protection, right? So here based upon the name, okay, so we can easily say that this will having the, okay, so in that the name indicates the here. Okay, so based upon the name, okay, we can easily say that the function which will include of the system. Okay, directional relays means which will be the current direction. Okay, so if current direction is a predetermined current direction is there, okay, from that only it will be work. So every relay direction is varied. Okay, so current direction input signal is varied. At that time, it will be give the fault signal. Okay, so for that purpose. Okay, so mainly these direction relays mainly used for the in the ring type system. Okay, so in ring type distribution systems, that at the time the reverse current flow there. Okay, so that will be very useful. So not only these types are the boss main upon the application based upon the technology classification. So we have the different configurations of relays also there. So that is based upon the protective schemes. Okay, so based upon the protective scheme, so we have the different types of the relays. Okay, so this is all about the protective system of the relays. Okay, so today we have discussed about the relays, types of relays based upon the applications. Okay, sorry, based upon the technology, so based upon their function.